about there, September 20th, because September 20th was a very interesting time. I thought I had a laser pointer, but I think I left it over on the side. At any rate, anybody heard of something called the Northwest Passage? It was something that was sought after by mariners for a long time. And the idea was that you could sail north and sail around the pole and get to the Pacific Ocean or Asia, or wherever you wanted to go. In December of this year, not only was the Northwest Passage open, which would have been like right here, you could actually sail through there, but if you notice the Northeast Passage as well. So all the way around the pole, there was actually open water. That's been happening every year now for a couple of years. And navigation is changing. Like in some cases, boats are actually traveling that. It was entirely open only for about a month this year. We're tracking how that's working. So the polar ice caps are shrinking. That's not really anything controversial. Exactly how fast they're shrinking and what it means is what we're going to study. There's Antarctica as well. We know that that ice shelf is decreasing too. But again, we're not really sure how fast it's going to go. Now, one thing that's going to help us determine this is a very unusual measurement of Earth. Let me explain what this is. This is a satellite called GRACE. And GRACE is actually two satellites 100 miles apart. And they fly continuously over the Earth. Now, the reason we have two that are 100 miles apart is that GRACE satellites measure gravity. They actually measure mass. So when you're flying towards something big like a mountain, one satellite is attracted a little bit faster because it's reaching the mountain first, and then the other satellite catches up. And the distance between the two satellites varies slightly. There's a link between the two with microwaves. And as these two satellites fly continuously over the Earth, we generate a map of the mass of the planet.